Hello everyone, so much happened in the last week. We lost servers, and the long lost servers of World 5 and 13 came back, and all the servers came back. I won a slab from a giveaway. 2 hours later, I won 2000 volts. Epic stuff, epic stuff. Get back to the video. The video I make about top 3 money making methods got amazing feedback. Thanks for all the support you have given. That video, I named Golem as the second best method of making money. Let's figure out how to face this one. Golem is the second to last boss in the game. He is in the depths of Varrock's temple. Follow the directions. Let's move on to the mechanics. Most important rule of facing the Golem is don't push. And don't dance with the Golem. He doesn't like to dance. He doesn't want to dance. He will not dance with you. Alright, the mechanics. Like the other bosses, Golem got 2 types of attack. First, the power attack. Golem will slam the ground all around him, doing tons of damage. To evade this, all you need to do is back up. If you are under level 90, just back up 2 blocks. Otherwise, just 1 block is enough. In attacking, always target the shadow underneath, not the animation. Even if the very pointy end of your sword touches the shadow, you are doing damage. No need to push. You can see here clearly how I'm managing the distance correctly. That even in the power attack, I don't have to move. Moving on to the second attack. In the second attack, Golem will crash the ceiling on top of your head. Last thing you want is get beaten by the ceiling guy. When the warning appears on the screen, all you have to do is move to the green box. This is the point that Golem dancers suffer the most. The green zone appears relative to the center of the location. But when you're pushing the Golem all the way to the sides, they don't have time to get back to the position. And they just die. Anyway, the Golem drops tons of meds and falls and the other usual stuff. Most importantly, we're focusing on the boss items, such as the slabs, shards, orbs, and Golem eyes. You can craft these armors in the enchanted anvil. Follow the directions. Make the weapon before any other armor pieces. You need 2 orbs, 1 shard, and 1 artifact to make the battle axe. 4 slabs and 4 shards, as along with the Golem eye to make the helm. 6 slabs, 2 shards, and the eye for stone plate. 5 slabs, 1 shard, and the eye for the legs. In last, 2 slabs and a shard for the boots. You have to be level 85 to wear these armor pieces and smithing level of 65 to craft them. If you got along this far into the video, means you absolutely like what I do. And for that, I have a little gift. I will announce all the detail in the next video. Simply put, when I reach level 100, which is not that far, I'm going to do a giveaway of 100 million. To participate in this, all you have to do is join the Phantom Guild. I will leave a link in the description. The winner will be chosen randomly by a bot. So, there's no favors. Each and every one of you will get equal chances of winning this 100 million. That's it for now. Make sure to leave a like in this video and sub for more. I'll see you guys in a bit.